thing I'm gonna do, and this is very important, is shake the Artistry Skin Nutrition Micellar Makeup Remover and Cleanser. Then soak 2 cotton rounds with the micellar makeup remover. If you over soak them, just give them a squeeze.
Let's place the cotton round onto the model's lips, holding it in place for 30 seconds. And I love this because it gives the micellar water enough time to just break apart that pigment and do it gently removing everything.
Yes. After the 30 seconds are up, just sweep the cotton pads across the lips. You can see how powerful this is. Now you can put the cotton pads around, rotate them, and the dirty side, it's gonna be inside so you can reuse them.
Now, we just keep repeating these steps. And I love what you did right there, Nanda, because it just saves you a little bit of time and it gives you more payoff for your product. Just flip it and keep going.
Once the lipstick is removed, apply the Artistry Go Vibrant Sheer Lip Balm.